How to go back in a live stream on Twitch. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can go back in a live on Twitch. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, log in into your Twitch account. Once you're logged in here, you could only go back in a live stream if the streamer has enabled DVR, that is digital video recorder functionality. So here is how you can check and rewind if it's possible. Once you're on your home page, you have to open up any of the stream. After that, if you hover your mouse over there, you could look for the red progress bar at the bottom of the screen. If it's a solid red dot with no bar, that means the DVR is not available. But if there is a red bar at the bottom of the screen, then you can drag the timeline cursor back in order to rewind. So drag the progress bar left to go back to the previous moment, and here you can rewind up to 2 hours back in more stream if DVR is enabled. But if you don't see the rewind option, the streamer has not enabled DVR and the stream may have just started, so there is nothing to rewind yet. So in this way, you could go back in a live stream on Twitch. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.